Okay, so this is making a bicycle frame using SolidWorks. So first we'll make a sketch on the right plane, and then in this sketch we simply need to create the geometry of the bicycle frame. So what I will do is that I will simply follow this geometry, and then I'll just sketch it accordingly. So what you do is you just try first to sketch the general shape of the bicycle, and for me it kind of looks like this. Then from there you could now populate it with the proper dimensions. So let's start with the here. So there's a 65 and 49, 31. All right, so there's an extension here, something like that. I'll make them there. So 105. So there's gonna be some sort of a line here, and then I'll just make this coincident, and then this one coincident there. So we have that. I'll just make a reference horizontal line so that we could get the proper angles later on. So first, this is needs to be at a certain angle. I think it is something like 75. Let's check. 73, and the other one is also 73. So let's change this to 73, and this one is also 73. Okay, what's next? This is supposed to be 49, 65, 380. So this is supposed to be 380, and then this is supposed to be 65. So now it's kind of making a really well, I guess you just have to adjust it accordingly. Once we put in the proper smart dimensions, all of this would fix itself, hopefully. Alright, so that's good. This one is supposed to be 491. This is supposed to be 105. Okay, so far so good. So 31, 40, 31, and then 40. Alright, so this should be 31, and this is supposed to be 40. Okay, so what else do we need? What about the height? So from the bottom bracket, 570, and then 450. 570, 450. So the height of this is supposed to be from here, 570. Chain's tail length is supposed to be 450. This is supposed to be 70. And there's an offset between the bottom bracket and the I guess this point here, and that's 70. Yeah, 70. So this is supposed to be 70, and by this time we should see it somehow black. So everything is black. I think this is too steep. Maybe this is supposed to be 30. It kind of looks better now. So this is what you're supposed to do first to make a sketch like this. Now before exiting the sketch, we have to put several points here, in there, and perhaps maybe, yeah, I think just here, 1 point here. We will use this later to create our planes. Okay, so 1 and 2. What else? Yeah, 2 points there. Maybe another point here. You could also do that, just in case we need it later. There. Then you exit the sketch. So right now we have the geometry of our bicycle. So I suggest to change the sketch name to maybe bike geometry. This will help you organize your model later on. So I guess this is the best time to save it. So I'll save it, and then when we get back, we will proceed in creating the 3D elements.